So the bicycle chain was squeaking so much it was a little embarrassing. I put the chain measuring tool on there and saw that the chain was still good. Decided to clean it. Needed my chain breaker and a toothbrush. There I'm breaking the chain apart by pushing a pin out. Now I poured a little alcohol into a plastic dish. Got the toothbrush and scrubbed on the chain. Got a lot of dirt off of it. Put the chain up to dry. And then the next thing was clean up the mess. You can see a lot of the grime that's left over. I also noticed the derailleur needed cleaning, so I took a paper towel and alcohol and cleaned it. Then I threaded the new chain back into the derailleur and rear sprocket. Left the chain hanging loose on front so it'd be easy to connect with the pin. There's the pin and the chain breaker tool. That pin pushes in by hand right there. And then you put the chain breaker tool on there to push the pin through with a little bit of force. And there you can see the back of the pin, and you just break it off with a pair of pliers or a tool. There's the links connected together. The chain's on there nice and tight. And last step is going to be put a little bit of oil on each bearing, so you do that individually on each one of those links. And then it's good to go. The pricey part is the replacement pin at $2.50. The whole thing costs about $3. Hope you enjoyed the video.